Imagine if some of the most effective healing meals were not new inventions, but recipes people were quietly cooking 2,000 to 3,000 years ago. Today, we chase powders, pills, yet ancient writings describe everyday dishes, lentil pots, barley broths, fish stews, that modern research now links to gut support, calmer inflammation, steadier blood sugar, and stronger hearts and brains. These were not symbolic snacks. They were real food for shepherds, laborers, travelers, and families who burned huge amounts of energy. In this video, we'll look at 10 Bible-era meals and see how each one quietly acts like a recovery or resilience plan built from simple ingredients: lentils, beans, grains, herbs, fish, lamb, and olive oil. Let's start with the pot of stew that changed the direction of an entire family line. Scripture describes Esau coming in exhausted, trading everything for Jacob's lentil stew. In that pot were red lentils simmered with onion, garlic, herbs, and olive oil. Those lentils pack plant protein, iron, folate, and magnesium to help tired muscles recover. Garlic and onion feed friendly gut bacteria, while olive oil calms inflammation and boosts nutrient absorption. At the Great Feeding, the simple bread was barley, the common grain. This humble grain is rich in beta-glucan, a powerful heart-supporting fiber. Here it simmers with garlic, thyme, hyssop, and vegetables, forming rich broth. That thickness slows sugar entering the blood and helps keep energy steady. In your gut, this fiber feeds good microbes and supports immune defenses. For anyone drained or recovering, a bowl like this restores strength gently. Across the ancient Near East, chickpeas were everyday fuel in markets and villages. Today, that same staple shows up as creamy hummus and hearty chickpea stews on our tables. Unlike many white breads, chickpeas have a low glycemic index, giving slower, steadier energy. Cooked with garlic, fresh herbs, and extra virgin olive oil, chickpeas become a powerful workday stew. Garlic, herbs, and olive oil add natural antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory compounds to protect your body. This kind of bowl keeps you going through long physical days, without the blood sugar crash from refined grain. In the book of Daniel, a young exile asks for a 10-day test of vegetables, pulses, and water. Instead of the king's rich food and wine, he chooses a simple plant-based plate grown from seeds. Pulses like lentils and chickpeas are rich in fiber and low glycemic, giving slower, steadier blood sugar curves. For 10 days, the pattern repeats: vegetables, pulses, whole grains, and clear water, meal after meal. That kind of fasting nourishes the body while making room for focus, prayer, and mental clarity. At the end of 10 days, Daniel and his friends look healthier and stronger than those eating the royal food. This leek and onion cleansing pot starts with simple allium vegetables and a clear broth. Leeks bring silky flavor and prebiotic fiber that quietly feeds your friendly gut bacteria. Onions add quercetin and sulfur compounds, powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells and liver. Together, they simmer into a light, mineral-rich broth that can support natural detox pathways. A warm bowl feels gentle on digestion, helping you feel lighter instead of weighed down. This is the kind of simple cleansing pot you can return to every week as a quiet reset. This fish and herb stew by the lake turns fresh catch into calm, heart-supporting fuel. Fatty fish bring clean protein and omega-3s that help protect your heart and brain. A bundle of fresh herbs layers in antioxidants and plant compounds that tame inflammation. Gently simmered, the broth stays light, while the fish and herbs give deep nourishment. A warm bowl after hard work by the water leaves you restored instead of weighed down. Make it a weekly lakeside ritual, building heart health, one simple pot at a time. This dish pairs rich lamb with bitter herbs and hyssop, turning dinner into a cleansing ritual. Hyssop and bitter greens bring a warm, sharp bite that ancient cultures linked with purification. When they coat the lamb, these herbs deliver not just flavor, but centuries of medicinal tradition. Slow simmering fuses lamb's strength with the digestive power of those bitters. A small portion of meat and a big pile of bitter herbs signals cleansing over indulgence. It's a quiet, reflective plate that nods to the old stories of sacrifice and renewal. This bean and cumin digestive stew is built to comfort your gut, not challenge it. Soaked beans cooked slowly become easier on digestion while still delivering fiber and minerals. Cumin's carminative power helps relieve bloating, gas, and sluggish digestion. Simmered together, beans and cumin create a stew that's hearty yet surprisingly gentle. A small bowl can leave your stomach feeling warm, settled, and quietly satisfied. Turn it into a simple daily ritual whenever your digestion needs extra support. This fig and lentil recovery stew is built for muscles and energy after hard work. Figs bring natural sugars, fiber, and minerals to quickly restore fuel and support digestion. Lentils add plant protein and iron, key nutrients for repair and steady strength. Together, they simmer into a thick, comforting bowl that refills your tank without a crash. A serving after training or labor can leave you feeling recharged instead of depleted. Make it an evening ritual so your body has everything it needs to recover overnight. This olive oil vegetable longevity stew borrows from Mediterranean and Blue Zone eating. A generous pour of extra virgin olive oil brings heart-friendly fats and deep flavor. Beans and leafy greens add fiber, minerals, and plant protein that support long-term health. Slow simmering lets vegetables, beans, and olive oil meld into a deeply nourishing pot. A humble bowl with bread can stand in as a complete, everyday longevity meal. Shared often with others, it's more than food. It's a pattern that can add healthy years.